Welcome to our YouTube video all about chatbots. These amazing bots are like talking robots that can help us with lots of things, like answering questions or giving advice. We'll learn how they're changing, how we use technology, and even how you can make your own chatbot. So, whether you're just curious or you love playing with tech, let's discover the incredible world of chatbots together. Chatbots are intelligent computer programs that can chat with us humans. They use fancy stuff like natural language processing, NLP, and artificial intelligence, AI, to understand what we're saying and give us answers. Cool, right? Natural language processing, NLP, is like a superpower for chatbots. It helps them understand and work with human language, so they can have conversations and give smart answers. Artificial intelligence gives chatbots the power to learn and get better over time, so they can understand and interact with people more effectively. Let's explore how a chatbot works. It all begins when someone types something into the chat. The chatbot then figures out what the person wants and what they're talking about. After understanding the message, the chatbot comes up with a response that makes sense. It's like having a smart conversation with a computer. Chatbots are like virtual assistants that we can talk to. Some chatbots follow specific rules and have set responses, kind of like following a script. Others use fancy algorithms to understand what we say and respond in a more natural way. And then there are chatbots that mix both approaches to be even smarter. Let's talk about rule-based chatbots. These chatbots work by following a set of rules and responses. Imagine it like a tree with branches, where each branch leads to a different response based on what you say. For example, if you say, "Hi, I need help with my order," the chatbot knows to say, "Hello, how can I assist you with your order? Please provide your order number for further assistance." It's like having a conversation with a computer that knows exactly what to say based on what you ask. Cool, right? Imagine a smart chat friend powered by AI. It learns and talks to you, just like a person, using special computer tricks called machine learning and natural language processing. Here's a chat with our AI friend. User, what's the weather like today? Chatbot, today, it's partly cloudy with a high of 75 degrees F. Need me to set a reminder for you? Imagine a chatbot that's like a mix of rules and smart thinking. It's called a hybrid chatbot. It uses simple rules for easy tasks, but also has smart AI for harder questions or making things personal. Think of a banking chatbot, for example. Now, let's see it in action. User, I want to apply for a loan. Chatbot, sure, I can help with that. Please provide some details about your income, employment status, and desired loan amount. Let's explore the anatomy of a chatbot. Just like how we understand and respond to messages, chatbots use special tools like input processing, tokenization, and natural language understanding to figure out what you're saying. Inside, there are important parts called intent classification, entity recognition, and context management that help the chatbot understand your message better. They work together to find the right information to respond to you. Once the chatbot knows what you're asking, it replies back in a way that feels like a real conversation. It's all thanks to parts called dialogue management and user interaction components. By putting all these pieces together, chatbots become helpful helpers in lots of different areas, making it easier for us to talk and get things done. Hey everyone, today, we're going to learn about a cool chatbot created using Python. This chatbot can talk to you and respond just like a real person. First, we teach the chatbot some simple rules, like saying, "Hello," or asking, "How are you?" Then, when you talk to the chatbot, it understands what you're saying and replies back accordingly. Let's give it a try. Type your message and see how the chatbot responds. If you want to leave the conversation, just type, "Quit." Let's get chatting. Imagine creating your own chatbot. With Python's amazing support for natural language processing, NLP, it's easy to do. By using a tool called the Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, we can make a chatbot that understands and responds to your messages effortlessly. Let's dive in and build one together. You can find the program code on GitHub, link in the description. Just copy the code and go to Colab, link in the description. Paste the code there and click on the execute arrow at the top left corner. The code will run, and you'll see the output screen at the bottom. Voila! Your smart, cool chatbot buddy is now ready to chat. Ask questions, and it will respond to you, just like this. Don't forget, you can add more sample input and output by editing the pattern input here. Let's get chatting. By following this demonstration, I hope you're inspired to create your own chatbot. Don't stop here. Experiment with the code, customize it, and make your chatbot even smarter and more intelligent. The possibilities are endless, so keep exploring and innovating. Stay tuned for more exciting tech explorations in our next video. Until then, see you later and happy coding.